Good morning. I guess the Yankee was not good enough to make the market go up on Friday. All right, can win them all. Now, maybe they could do it today. But anyway, I want to bring a couple of points. The first point I want to make is this. I went back and looked at the data, what happened October 1st, October 31st, and November 1st, or the first day of the month. Systematically has been market open flat or up and finish up, which is a good sign. That means since the futures are up, so that means we may move up and still hold it. So it's been 4 years, that's been fairly good. But unfortunately, it's been in a different market. We're moving up that time. So, and this year is a different circumstance. Now, point number one. Point number two is that Global XI is 97.84 and 10.45. And these numbers happen to be equally the daily pivot. So that means if we just go to the Global XI, we basically will move toward the pivot, and then we'll see what happened then. Now, if we move beyond the pivot, you have to watch what happened then. And if we reverse, then they're going to try to hit it hard. So, now, we are way off the weekly pivot. So it's like climbing a mountain, for that matter. So the first thing we must do is consolidate the daily pivot before we even think about the weekly pivot. But failure to basically defend the daily pivot is problematic on the downside. All right. So that's what you have to watch. I believe that's what they did on Friday. They went to the pivot and they're close to it at least, and then boom, even though that some of the sectors could not even provide any momentum on the upside. So watch the pivot, which is your key point, and see whether they hold or whether they reverse at that moment. That's about all for the day. Trade smart. This is a new month. Started on a positive note. Enjoy. Have a nice day.